Welcome. If you want to make sure you never miss an important email by having Gmail notifications pop up directly on your phone screen, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll walk you through every step to turn on Show as Pop-up for Gmail mail notifications using your Android phone settings. Start by unlocking your phone and heading to Settings. This is the central hub where you control everything about your phone's behavior, including notifications. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. Here you'll see a list of all the applications installed on your device. Look through this list and tap on Gmail. This will take you to the specific settings for the Gmail app. Now, tap on Notifications. This is where you manage exactly how and when Gmail can send you alerts. You'll notice an option labeled Notification Categories. Tap on this to see all the different types of notifications Gmail can send. From this screen, find and tap on Mail. This category controls notifications for your incoming emails. Finally, look for the option called Show as Pop-up. Turn this toggle on. What this does is allow your Gmail notifications to appear as a pop-up window whenever you receive a new email. This means no more digging through notification dots or missing important alerts. Your new messages will be front and center, exactly when they arrive. That's it, you're all set. From now on, every new email will pop up on your screen, helping you stay instantly connected and never miss a critical message. If you found these steps helpful, feel free to check out more tutorials to make the most of your digital life. Thanks for tuning in,